can access the alarm, clock, timer, stopwatch, and track your sleep activity using the clock application. To access this, from the home screen, swipe up to open your applications and select Clock. Here you can choose from the alarm, clock, timer, stopwatch, and the bedtime tracker. For the alarm, select the plus to add a new alarm. To edit the alarm, select the drop-down arrow on the alarm. Here you can choose and edit several options. Next, the clock. Select clock and the current date and time is displayed. To add a new clock, select the plus button and search for your desired city. For the timer, select timer, input the desired time, and select the start button. Here you can add 1 minute to the time, pause the timer, and reset the timer using the circle arrow. Now for the stopwatch. To start the stopwatch, select the start button. You can pause the watch using the same button, time intervals using the right green button, and reset the watch using the left green button. And last, the bedtime tracker. You can set an alarm clock and track your sleep activity using this feature. You can also select the options button in the top right for additional settings for each clock function.
Thank you for watching. For more resources, visit sonimtech.com.